Have you ever been chanting a mantra and you wondered, what am I even doing? Is there any benefits or science behind this? So what is the difference between singing and chanting a mantra? To put it in simple words, singing is more about the ego trying to express itself. It is mostly about me, my story, or stories that I relate to. Look at me, look at my skills. And existentially, it is irrelevant, it is not even a melody. And let me explain why. By explaining to you what is a chant, everything will make sense. A chant is like singing, but scientifically, to allow your soul to grow spiritually, to gain new experience. And like Nikola Tesla said, the universe speaks in terms of energy and frequencies. And now to bring it toward the spirituality of chakra. Each chakra of the human body is related to at least one sound. And a great example will be to begin with the 7 main chakra. The first one starting with Muladhara, all the way up to the crown chakra, Sahasra. The sounds are O, O, A, E, I, And depending in which order we arrange all of those sounds, it will create different benefits that we will be able to receive as we chant the mantra. Some great example will be the Hare Krishna mantra, Brahmananda Swarupa, Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham, Om Namah Shivaya, the Gayatri mantra, and much more. And how to know if right now you are singing or performing a mantra? It is very simple. Remember the sound that I made. The sounds that you will produce must not be coming from your mouth trying to sing and make sounds. It must come from the proper location of the right chakra. So if you say Hare Krishna, is Manipura, E is Anahata, I is Vishuddhi. So you will focus on those locations to generate the sound from here, and then this is what we call a mantra. But to put it more simple, you can begin by simply focusing on making your sound come from your Manipura. Where is the sound? Because if you try it, if you produce and go on speaking just with your mouth, you will make a usual sentence. Let me show you and you can try it. I'm going to meditate. It might sound weird when I say it right now, but try it. Just make the sound and move your mouth, and you will be speaking, but with a different energy. So now that you know the difference with singing and a mantra, which mantra would you like to try next? Let us know within the comment, and let's build a community. If you found any value or information in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.